Welcome back to Statesboro, Georgia. 89 degrees on this Saturday night as we get this Memorial weekend match underway. In a couple of moments, we'll take a look at the starting 11, first for the home side, brought to you by Optum Sports Medicine. Just one change for Ian Cameron in the starting 11. Aaron Walker, the player coach, shifts into the midfield. In goal, Ricardo Jérez makes his first league start since 2023. The 39-year-old who has made 4 U.S. Open Cup appearances and 1 Jaeger Cup appearance this season, making his first league start in 2 years. Somebody who has a lot of experience on the international stage from Guatemala, was the Guatemala national team goalkeeper for the majority of 2014 World Cup qualifiers. He's a change. Michael Knapp also suspended. Omar Hernandez starts in his place, and Omar Gomez atop the formation alongside Omar Hernandez. Meeting number 2 this season between Chattanooga Red Wolves and South Georgia Tormenta. We showed you the highlights earlier of that April 5th match. 4 goals, all in the second half, 3 courtesy of penalty kicks. And let's hope this match is as exciting as what we saw in the final 45 of that match. We are underway. Chattanooga Red Wolves and South Georgia Tormenta, a rematch. Ramos making that run. Still Ramos shows off the pace. Ramos plays one central, still rolling, and it's tapped in. Zahir Vazquez. An easy finish. That was all Josh Ramos showing off the wheels. And Red Wolves lead it 1-0. Well, Scott McKenzie said Joshua Ramos. And it is Oscar Jiménez to send this in. The 35-year-old veteran for Tormenta. In swinger, knocked away. And here comes Walefi. Flicks it forward, a mad dash after it. Pedro Hernandez, wide! Inches away from a second. What a ball this was from Walefi. Able to inside out it to a surging Hernandez. Lovely cut. And with Pac, well, it's a team that thrives on counters. We saw it on the goal. We saw it on that near goal just moments ago. As Hernandez launches this in, Waters gets a head on it, on frame, and Pac nearly headed home his first goal. And the 2 giants of this back line combining with a couple of headers. It's the 6'5" Waters flicks on that first ball. But again, can't get there, and there is the halftime whistle. We have played 45 minutes. And a 12-minute goal by that man. Zahir Vazquez is the difference. Nyandjo. Flag stays down. Cabral lifts it, Nyandjo, chests it down. Nyandjo, back post. And a point to the spot. An incredulous reaction from the Chattanooga players. Bazini. Yaniv, Bazini, well off target. And the opportunity was there. The hesitation does not fool Jérez. And Bazini just hoofs it. Tormenta hunting for its first shot on target for the match, despite having 76% of the possession. Sneaks through and wide. Bentley lifts it ahead. Al-Hassan, searching on. Al-Hassan, turned away by Pac. Open and it's tapped in. Pedro Hernandez makes it 2 for Chattanooga. And just like that, the lead has doubled. Walker brings it in. Ramos Steps ahead, lets it fly. Pack turns it away. Pack now clears it out. Look at the tail on this ball, how it moves. And Pack was ready for it. Kasanzu able to at least hold down the fort until Pack. The Chattanooga legend slips it for Ramos. Space to work with. Ramos dances, rolls, saved by Pack. Ramos just going 1v1 against Jiménez, a veteran. A trio of Tormenta players in the area. Cabral on the left, Nyandjo behind it, and Alves to the right of it. Who takes it? It is Cabral on frame! That is a screamer just wide. The laser of a strike. Gabriel Cabral brings so much quality to this team. A couple of changes for Morris. That last header off to Walker. Here's Gray. Angles inside. Walker again. Tunbridge, leading goal scorer, has a strong boot, gets rid of it. Out for Gray, space for service. Gray sends it in, nodded towards the back post, and it's in! Handwalla Bwana injects new life into this Tormenta squad. And what a story for the man who missed the last 2 years of soccer with an injury. His last goal was nearly 3 years ago. September 7th, 2022, when he played with Memphis. Ball in. Jérez fists it away. There's the whistle. Chattanooga, its first road win of the season. And Scott McKenzie's club comes away with the 2-1 victory in a thriller.